In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort largest to smallest in an Excel pivot table. To follow along, make sure you already have a pivot table created from your data. If you're starting from a regular table or data range, you'll first need to insert a pivot table. Choose where you want it placed, and set up your rows, columns, and values. Once your pivot table is ready and showing the numbers you want to analyze, we can focus on sorting. Look at the values you want to sort. For example, sales amounts, quantities, or totals. Usually, these will be in the values area of your pivot table, and they'll appear in one of the columns. Next, find the field you want to sort by in the pivot table itself. This is often one of the row labels, like product name, category, or region. And next to each of those labels, you'll see the corresponding numbers. Move your mouse to any of the values in that column. Click on one of the numbers you want to use as the basis for sorting. This tells Excel which column you're interested in. Then, go up to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click on the Home tab if you're not already there. In the Editing group on the right side, you'll see the Sort and Filter options. Click on Sort and Filter, and from the drop-down menu, choose Sort Largest to Smallest. In many versions of Excel, this will have a Z to A icon with a downward arrow next to it. When you click this, Excel will ask if you want to sort the selected field. Confirm the choice, and Excel will rearrange the row labels so that the largest values appear at the top, and the smallest values move to the bottom. Take a moment to scan your pivot table and check that everything now appears in descending order. The items with the highest totals should be listed first, which makes it much easier to see your top performers or biggest numbers at a glance. If you ever need to switch back to ascending order, you can repeat the same process, but choose Sort, smallest to largest instead. Also, remember that if you refresh or change your pivot table, Excel usually keeps your sort settings, but it's a good habit to quickly verify the order after major changes. And that's all you need to do to sort a pivot table from largest to smallest in Excel.